receive superintendent Rodolfo Matibay. He said he gave the assault order and assumed full responsibility for it. He said the situation that was ongoing during that time warranted for hasty assault. Likewise, 4 personnel of the Manila Police District Special Weapons and Tactics were administratively relieved, pending results of the investigation being conducted by the Post-Critical Incident Management Committee. The team leader, Police Chief Inspector Santiago Pascual, and 3 of his team leaders. The autopsy was conducted on all fatalities, but 3 of them begged for some personal considerations, or rather the families of the 3 fatalities, for some personal or religious reasons, refused the bodies of their beloved to be opened up for autopsy. But they were examined post-mortem, meaning physical examination lang, hindi ko na publiktan yung mga katawan. The Chief PNP ordered the Chief Investigator, the Director for Investigation and Detective Management to expand his pool of investigators, meaning experienced, skilled investigators from the CIDG and other national support units are being invited and commissioned to assist in the investigation. By the way, upon orders of the Chief PNP himself, the investigation will be conducted 24/7. Walang sugat. Another point taken up was media relations and ground control. Pero hindi pa naging final yung ating decision dito. Isa lamang ang discussion.